Hello guys, today I have got REDMI Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how to disable or enable the phone calls function. The phone calls function appears only in the in the Android devices. In Android devices, not in iPhones, so be prepared that you may not find this option in your iPhone. So, at first you need to open Settings. Now head to the connections. Now here open Bluetooth and here tap this gear icon near your device. The first thing that we can see here are calls. So you need to disable calls to disable, tap to disable and tap to enable back again. Remember that disabling phone calls function may completely make your headphones, earbuds buggy, and it will just worsen the connection quality. I don't know why it works like this. Goodbye.